After the nationwide protest over distorted rank list in the medical entrance exam, the National Testing Agency has started the firefight. The NTA informed the Supreme Court on Thursday that grace marks awarded to 1,563 students in NEET undergraduate exams will be cancelled. The NTA says it will scrap the scorecards for the 1,563 candidates. The retest will be offered to these candidates with an option for them to opt out if they prefer. Those opting out will receive their original scores without any grace marks. Results from the May 5th exam for retest takers will be disregarded. The retest is tentatively scheduled for June 23rd. The retest results expected to be released before June 30th will not affect the counselling scheduled for July 6th.
We have given the examination with our full confidence and we have scored good marks. 650 is really good score, but still we are not able to get medical college. How is this fair?
Students who weren't approached by the court, to the High Court or Supreme Court, they didn't get the justice. Many students cannot afford to go to Supreme Court or High Court. We also demand that they should open a window so that the students who have suffered from time lapse should again approach and write a re-exam.
The NEET UG exams this year were hit by several controversies. 67 aspirants had got All India rank 1. 6 of them from the same exam centre in Faridabad. According to sources, after the cancellation of grace marks, 61 students have first rank now. The number of first rank holders is still very high, as in the past, this figure has never touched double digits.
आज एनटीए 7 दिन बाद खुद एग्री कर रहा है ग्रेस नंबर कॉन्सेप्ट सही नहीं है, तो किस बेसिस पे दिया था और क्या इसके सिवा और भी बहुत कुछ उन्होंने किया जो पब्लिक डोमेन में नहीं आया, क्योंकि ग्रेस नंबर भी उन्होंने बताया नहीं। 719 का स्कोर हम लोग ने पकड़ा तब उन्होंने बताया। तो क्या एनटीए की एक बार ऑडिट नहीं होनी चाहिए पूरी उनके डेटा की कि और कितनी डिस्पेरेंसीज है जब ग्रेस नंबर को आज एग्री कर रहे हैं। उन बच्चों को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली जो माननीय हाईकोर्ट नहीं पहुंच पाए ये कहने के लिए कि हमारे समय का नुकसान हुआ है, सिर्फ उनको मिला जो माननीय हाईकोर्ट गए।
Many aspirants had also claimed question paper leak, but Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan had dismissed those charges.
पेपर लीक की हमारे पास कोई जानकारी नहीं है। मैंने उस रीट पिटीशन को अनुध्यान कराया, कोई भी एक भी जगह पे प्रमाण नहीं है। एक एलिगेशन पेपर लीक हुआ है, कहाँ है प्रमाण हुआ है? कोर्ट उसको विचार करेगी, सरकार अपना पक्ष रखेगी। वो कोर्ट में 8 जुलाई को चर्चा भी होगी, वो कोर्ट के सामने है।
The Congress is demanding an investigation.
We demand a Supreme Court monitored investigation into this entire scandal which has affected around 24 lakh students.
While the row over grace marks appears to be settled, the Supreme Court on Thursday issued notice on charges of paper leak and other irregularities. The top court has reaffirmed that it will not halt the NEET UG 2024 counselling process.
The government has once again clarified through the Education Minister that there is no information of a paper leak. In fact, it was an impersonation case that was being seen in Bihar. But the opposition continues to clamp down on the government, saying that all those students who have not received the opportunity to come to the Supreme Court and give their petitions are still left out of the loop when it comes to those students who are now being given an option for a retest. So what about the rest? And should the NTA perhaps look at a larger framework to accommodate all those students who appeared for the NEET this time?